guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I am going to make some natural strawberry, cherry, melon and apples. I'm using 2 golden delicious apples and I'm about to start. I'm just washing my apples. I'm just gonna cut my apples in small pieces. Finish cut up my apples. I'm just going to do my hand wash. Just give this a rinse. My strawberries is already washed, so I'm gonna put it straight into my blender. My cherries already washed, so straight into my blender. And my my melon straight into my blender, and my apple straight into my blender. I'm going to put a bit of honey, a tablespoon of honey straight into my blender. Fruit is already sweet, so a tablespoon of honey, that's enough. Just to give it a finishing touch. And I'm going to pour some water on my fruit, enough water to cover my fruits. And that water is quite enough to cover my fruits. I'm going to cover the blender. I'm just going to switch my blender on and then start it blending. I'm going to blend this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Stop my blender and so I'll finish blending. Wow, Wow, look at that. Wow, that is really rich. Very, very rich in vitamin C. All these fruit what I'm using, it's got a lot of vitamin C, and that is very good for our body. It is very important for us to stay looking healthy and looking good and living a healthy lifestyle. I'm just gonna strain my juice. I'm just straining my juice. Oh, this is looking really good. It's really rich and healthy. Guys, it is amazing to know what you can do in your own kitchen at home. So please don't go throw away whatever leftover fruit you got in your fruit bowl. Just get your blender out and get to work and enjoy your natural healthy juice. I am really enjoy making these juice, and I'm glad that I'm here to share my recipe with you guys. I'm just rinsing off my strain and my spoon, and I'm going to give my juice another strain just to make sure all the bits are out so that I can enjoy my juice. Wow, wow. It's very thick and it's looking really, really healthy. This is how it's supposed to be. So don't put too much water on your fruits because you will kill the flavor, and we need the benefit of for the benefit from this juice. You need to taste all the fruits what combined together. Wow. I'm just gonna give it a stir. Wow. I'm gonna serve my juice over ice. And you can put it on the fridge to chill as well. And you can serve it over ice just like what I'm doing. It's entirely up to you, whichever way you prefer. I am just going to have a taste of my juice and then I'll tell you what I think. Wow. My face said it all. Wow. Wow. Really delicious. Really, really nice. I can taste all the fruits. It combined together lovely. And it's absolutely delicious. Wow. If you like my juice, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely, lovely weekend. Love you all, and I'm out. Bye.